Hi, today I will show you how to install Windows 10 package files, which are often called AppX files, and with some other names as well. I think you are here because you are facing issue installing package files directly. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, you need Windows 10 application package file which you want to install. Then you make sure its icon looks same like mine. If it's not showing correctly, then you have to rename it with AppX file extension or AppxBundle. To know file extension, you have to click here on 3 dots. In Windows 10, this option available in folder option. Click on option, then go to view tab. Now make sure this option is unchecked. Then click on apply and OK. Let's move to next step now. Go to settings. Click on privacy and security. Click here on for developers. Enable developer mode. In Windows 10, you can switch to sideload mode or to developer mode. Now run Powershell as administrator. Copy the path of the folder and then paste it to Notepad file. Now copy file name with extension as well. In my case, file extension name is MSIX bundle. Go to Notepad file and add / to path and paste file name here. Now copy complete path and paste it above, with an inverted comma. Let's move to last step. Copy complete command from Notepad file. Go to PowerShell, right-click here to paste the command, and then press Enter key to install it. If it give control back to you, then your file installed successfully. If it shows some error, then you might need to install dependencies. If you need more information or want my help, then do comment and join my Discord server. Windows 10 newer version, and in Windows 11 you can install package files directly by simply double-click on it. I hope this video helped you to solve your problem. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in next video. Till then, goodbye.